Hi, I'm Sam Corkeys from EVSE Australia, and I'm here today with Sean Garrard, Project Manager at LDV Australia, to announce our partnership with LDV for the launch of the new eDeliver 9. Sean, can you describe LDV's future with electric vehicles?
Thanks, Sam. LDV Australia is excited to be in partnership with EVSE, who will help us to supply high-quality electric vehicle charging infrastructure to LDV dealerships and customers. LDV Australia is bringing in a range of electric vehicles into Australia, including a pure electric version of our high-selling Deliver 9 van, the EV variant, which we're calling the eDeliver 9, and brings a long-awaited zero-emissions option to businesses seeking to reduce their CO2 footprint and lower their operating costs while providing drivers with a comfortable, enjoyable driving experience. The eDeliver 9 is the first electric vehicle in a lineup of electric models that LDV is bringing to Australia, and we're excited to have EVSE as a partner to help us shape this important change in the industry.
EVSE Australia has successfully delivered the installation of the 120 kilowatt Ocular Titan DC charger, together with a full turnkey supply of AC charging stations as part of our turnkey solution, which includes hardware, software, installation, and importantly, support. Our Ocular Titan is designed to charge two vehicles simultaneously, and this allows LDV to double their vehicle servicing. More importantly, it's compatible with absolutely every EV in the Australian market and can be expanded in the future as OEM partners expand their vehicle offerings. This will provide the crucial support for the impending growth of the EV market in Australia. Our Exploren software also offers the ability to effectively track and monitor all charging sessions, not only here, but across the country through a single dashboard, giving LDV the power to effectively manage their charging infrastructure and provide precision billing tools to their partners. What brings this solution together is the load management technology developed in conjunction with the CSIRO. This provides real-time protection for the building's electrical infrastructure and importantly facilitates large-scale deployments in the future. At EVSE, we deliver the crucial support and long-term experience required to begin your transition to electric vehicles. Whether you have a requirement now or in the process of planning to install EV charging stations, start a conversation with our team at EVSE Australia to find out how we can support your fleet's electrification journey.